The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 15. Mahāmati, the Dharmata Nishanda Buddha, teaches that the individual and shared characteristics of every Dharma are due to the habit energy of the perceptions of the mind and to the continued attachment to an imagined reality that is no more real than an illusion, and one that cannot be grasped. Moreover, Mahāmati, an imagined reality arises from attachment to a dependent reality. Mahāmati, it is like when a magician uses materials such as plants and wood and tiles and stone to create an illusion, and conjures the appearance of different creatures, which then gives rise to different projections, but projections that are not real. In the same manner, Mahāmati, it is based on a dependent reality that the myriad projections of an imagined reality arise, the myriad projections of appearances that are the habit energy of attachment to projections. Mahāmati, this is how the appearances of an imagined reality arise. Mahāmati, this is what the Nishanda Buddha teaches. Mahāmati, what the Dharmata Buddha does is establish and create that realm which transcends self-existent appearances of the mind and on which the personal realization of Buddha knowledge depends. Mahāmati, the Niyamita Niyamana Buddha, teaches charity, morality, forbearance, zeal, meditation and wisdom of the mind, detachment from the skandhas, dhatus, and ayatanas, liberation from the projection, contemplation, and establishment of appearances of consciousness, and transcendence of the views of followers of other paths, and the view of formlessness. Also, Mahāmati, the Dharmata Buddha is free from objective support. Freedom from objective support and from the operation of sensation is not a realm known to ignorant people, Shravakas, Pratyeka Buddhas, or followers of other paths attached to a self, but is the ultimate unique realm established by the personal realization of Buddha knowledge. Therefore, Mahāmati, you should devote yourself to cultivating the personal realization of this ultimate unique realm of Buddha knowledge, and put an end to views that are perceptions of the mind.